The All Progressives Congress (APC) has advised a faction of the African Democratic Congress (ADC) led by David Mark to pursue legal channels in resolving its leadership dispute rather than making public accusations. Speaking at a press briefing, APC National Secretary Surajuddin Basiru said the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) acted in line with the Court of Appeal directive and due process.
Nigerians must know that the present predicament of David Mark and his ilk has to do with the untidy way they hijacked the leadership of an existing political party without carrying along all stakeholders, resulting in court litigation before the Federal High Court, and the adverse judgment of the Court of Appeal, upon which the INEC predicated the decision not to recognize any of the two contending parties for the leadership of the African Democratic Congress, pending determination of the pending suit at the Federal High Court. The ADC of Mark went to Court of Appeal over an internal leadership dispute that was still ongoing at trial court. And in doing so, they made fundamental legal mistake. That mistake cannot be laid at the doorstep of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or our party.
He noted that INEC's decision to remove the faction's leadership from its portal was based on a subsisting court order requiring parties to maintain the status quo. Bashiru dismissed claims that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was undermining opposition parties, describing the allegations as baseless and a distraction from internal issues within the ADC.
It's imperative to address the Nigerian people on the deliberate mischief and puerile propaganda of Senator David Mark and his co-travelers parading themselves as coalition politicians at the ignoble press conference held on Thursday, 2 April 2026. The highlights of their press conference, shorn of the unwarranted verbal vituperations, are as follows. 1. They claim President Bola Tinubu is deliberately weakening opposition party to force a one-party state ahead of 2027. They also contended that INEC acted unlawfully by withdrawing recognition of their leadership, misinterpreting the Court of Appeal's order that status quo ante bellum should be maintained, and thereby they were calling that saying that INEC has taken side against them.
He further warned against conducting party activities while the matter remains in court, stressing that Nigeria remains a multi-party democracy and urging aggrieved members to seek resolution through legal means.